Karen Drexler, CEO of Sandstone Diagnostics. With our lead product, Track, we're helping empower men to take control of their sexual and reproductive health. So male reproductive health is in crisis. Sperm counts have been plummeting, and lots of couples are struggling with infertility. So this is a situation where men now represent half of all diagnosed infertility cases. And I look around the room, I see lots of men. And although this is an extraordinary audience, chances are that the majority of men in this room actually have suboptimal fertility. So this is really at a crisis level. Men are often as interested in becoming dads as women are in becoming moms. So we're helping men become dads and helping them become and stay healthier in the process. Our dynamic team has brought lots of products to market. We've built new categories, and we've sold companies to Johnson & Johnson and to Roche. Our founding team of research scientists work together at Sandia National Labs, developing the underlying technology that we use in our Track system. And we're surrounded by top advisors, including the head of men's reproductive health at Stanford. Our Track system is revolutionizing the men's reproductive health category. We are empowering men to be able to test, learn, and improve their reproductive health from home. Our home testing system is an FDA-cleared Class II medical device that provides immediate results that are as accurate as a lab test. With the help of our Track mobile app, men learn what they can do personally in terms of changing their health and habits to improve their fertility. And our community features help men ask questions anonymously, get responses from healthcare professionals, from other men, and get some interaction. There's often a lot of isolation and loneliness that goes with a male infertility diagnosis, and the community features are really helpful. The standard of care in this field hasn't changed in 80 years. For men to get evaluated, they need to go into a clinic, they need to produce a semen sample on demand, which is often awkward and embarrassing, and not surprisingly, compliance is pretty low. Unlike the other two home products that exist, which only tell men if they're in the bottom 5% of fertility results, the Track results are informative and actionable. And we close the feedback loop. We help men set goals, set targets, and help them make guided changes to their health and habits so they can see improvement, and then measure those improvements. And it's really working. So this is an example, one of our early users, a 35-year-old male with one child. He was working in a startup, had gained some weight, not so active, something a lot of us can relate to. And with the help of Track, he was able to identify what his key risk factors were. The app helped to motivate him to get moving, to lose some weight. He was able to drop 15 pounds in 4 months, saw an 80% increase in his sperm count, and child number 2 was conceived. So it really does work. And while we're helping men one at a time with the Track system, we're helping more and more men all the time. We launched the product a year ago at CES and achieved revenue in our first year of over $500,000. We have more than 125,000 unique visitors who come to our content site, which is called don'tcookyourballs.com. It's a really great site. Go look it up. And we've had over 30,000 app downloads. We're a bestseller on Amazon, and we were featured as the #1 home health kit for men by Men's Health magazine. We were also featured in a cover story in Newsweek that highlighted this decline in sperm counts as a real crisis. So word is getting out there, and momentum is definitely building. Fertility rates are at an all-time low. Infertility is a devastating condition for couples to deal with, and millions of couples are dealing with this every year. With the decline in sperm counts, the time is definitely now for taking action. It's important to help men understand that they are empowered, that they can do things that will help improve their personal outcomes and improve the odds of conception for the couple. So join us as we help men become dads. Thank you very much.